headlines. Cookie talks interlocutor A.B. Mathur to arrive in Imphal. Huge quantity of banned drugs seized in Manipur. And ration supply stopped in 10 Bru refugee camps in Tripura. Hello, this is Times of Manipur and you're watching the afternoon news with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. Cookie talks interlocutor A.B. Mathur will arrive in Imphal this afternoon. As per official reports, Mathur will hold talks with Cookie militant groups which are currently under suspension of operation. He is also meeting Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi, who is also the interlocutor of Naga Talks and NSC and IM leadership in Kohima, to discuss the Naga peace process and also other issues concerning militant groups in the northeast region. Troops of 12 Assam Rifles Moray apprehended a drug peddler along with 52,000 pieces of WY tablet and 11 packets of brown sugar worth around ₹2 crore near Khudingthangbi checkpost along Imphal Moray Road last evening. He has been identified as Ginwanlian Zhao, aged 30 years, son of Nekhangthang Zhao from Langnim village, Churachandpur district. He was driving a silver color eco van with registration number TN09CH7596 and was coming from Moray side, when he was intercepted at the checkpost. The contraband items were found concealed under the back seat of the vehicle in a black carry bag. Meanwhile, a team of Foreigner Checkpost FCP Juribam District Police consisting of 2 women constables apprehended true women drug peddlers at the FCP gate yesterday. They were travelling in a passenger cruiser. The 2 women identified as Shahnizaz Sheikh alias Bema, aged 31 years, wife of Abdul Noor of Kokta Ward number 7 of Moirang Police Station, Bishnupur District, and Fundre Mayum Farana, aged 20 years, wife of Muhammad Sahadal Ali of Hatta Wangkai Kunau, Imphal East. While frisking, they were found carrying 24 grams of heroin hidden inside 10 soap caps. The value of the drugs is estimated to be worth around ₹12 lakh in the local market. A case has been registered at Juribam Police Station against the 2 for further investigation. Since last 16 days, the ration has been stopped in 10 Bru refugee camps located in Kanchanpur under North Tripura district. A meeting was organized at State Guest House in Agartala about the repatriation issue. Central government officials, Tripura government officials, Mizoram government officials and Bru refugee leaders were present during the meeting. During the meet, central government has taken a clear stand that Bru refugee camps cannot continue in Tripura anymore. MHA Special Secretary A.P. Maheshwari said that the Bru refugee should go to Mizoram first and then their demands will be listened to by the government. Government of India has already finalized the scheme of resettlement in 2018 and everybody should respect the agreement. The Bru leaders demanded autonomous district council in Mizoram for the Bru people as a condition of going back. It is notable that 37,000 Bru people fled from Mizoram during ethnic strife in 1997. A team of Thobal police arrested an arms dealer. According to reports, the arrested has been identified as 45-year-old Muhammad Azad Khan alias Muhammad Ali Khan of Lilong Turel Ahanbi Yangbi Laikai. He was arrested from his residence yesterday. The police team also recovered some tools used in making illegal weapons from his possession. We'll take a short break, but coming up next. 30-member team of friendly environment warriors, Juribam, leaves for Crew to take part in Shiri Lili Festival.
Ningol Chakobada set in Nabagidamag, quality lairaba, Ohoma Mamalda, Pinabagidamak, same Saduna lairaba. Nagamapal Imakaitel opposite ki, first floor the labor, Showers Boutique Showroom. Inaki Oiba, Apama Makalgi, Firol Suna Pangadaba Showroom. Loinana, Christian Singi wedding the season aba, wedding gown to Mapamasida Pangigan.
Nupika Taginatana, Angang Singamadi jeans ki, pants, shirt, half pant, coat, vest coat, kurta, pajama, fajom, kurkul fajom, Amadi ready made fajom, Makal Suna Pangam. Yam nuevo pao mana mafam masida adong apama design khudimaki order slokjak amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapal imakaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leiba Showers Boutique
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amage up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur. Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimag lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back. A 30-member team of Friendly Environment Warriors FEW Juribam, led by its advisor H. Rajan Kumar Singh, was flagged off by the Deputy Commissioner of Juribam, Mayanglangbam Rajkumar, and additional AK Sadananda Singh from Babupara, Juribam for Shiroi Festival at Ukhrul. The team will also submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister of Manipur and Bahrain and Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar Few said. The team will encourage the ban on single-use plastic during the festival and will also visit various holy sites like Kangla to plant saplings. They will also visit some selected villages like Kaimai, Barak, Nungba and None along the National Highway 37 to spread environment awareness, FEW informed. Kuki Students Organization KSO Twilang Block has decided to endorse boycotting the decision taken by Kuki NP Manipur with regard to replacing the theme in defense of our ancestral land and freedom with in defense of our dignity and freedom to be inscribed in Kuki Rebellion commemorative stones. According to reports, this comes after Kuki NP Manipur and Anglo-Kuki War Centenary Commemoration Committee agreed to take out the words in defense of our ancestral land and freedom and to insert in defense of dignity and freedom. On the memorial stones erected to mark the centenary of the Anglo-Kuki Rebellion, after a series of meetings with Chief Minister N. Biren and some of his cabinet colleagues at the CM Secretariat last evening. The high-level meeting also decided to declare November 17 as restricted holiday as a mark of respect to all the Kuki martyrs who laid down their lives in the Kuki Rebellion. Moreover, construction of a memorial site at Greater Imphal in the near future. As per reports, the meet also decided to replace the Anglo-Kuki War with Kuki Rebellion. On the other hand, the Kuki armed groups UPF and KNO had earlier written to the center to revoke the order, asking to remove the inscription from the memorial stones. TBSFA veteran football team conducted a free medical camp at Lunghar village, Ukhrul, in connection with the Shiroi Lili festival this morning. The team also distributed exercise books and pencils to the students of the village. Time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Siru Festival Gidamak Lamjing Bakapna Chada Taranipan discount pijeri. Round trip Lupa Lising Ahum Chamri Nifumari. Drop Lupa Lising Ani Chamapan Yankanitoy. Night charts Lupa Lising Ama. Ngasima book Tobio Langston Birakse Lamjing Bakap office Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple. Phone number 8794613154. Aikogi toll free number 80010275959.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Kudo.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangai Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangai.
Welcome back. A 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, yesterday ended the marathon hearing of the decades-old Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title dispute case. Before wrapping up the case, the bench gave the contesting parties 3 days to file written notes on molding of relief or narrowing down the issues on which the court is required to adjudicate in this case. The Constitution Bench has heard the case for 40 days, the top court's second longest oral hearing in its history. The bench, which also comprises Justices S.A. Bobde, D.Y. Chandrachud, Ashok Bhushan and S.A. Nazir, is hearing appeals against the September 30, 2010 judgment of the Allahabad High Court, which ordered a 3-way division of the dispute 2.77 acres in Ayodhya. The top court is expected to deliver its ruling by November 17, when Chief Justice Gogoi retires. Hong Kong's leader Carrie Lam has been heckled by opposition lawmakers for a second day as she tried to answer questions in Parliament today. After shouting and holding up placards, 11 opposition members were removed from the session by security guards. Lam was forced to suspend her annual policy address after she was interrupted by opponents yesterday. Hong Kong has seen months of mass protests against the government, sparked by a proposed extradition law. The opposition forms a small minority in the Legislative Council, LegCo, but managed to repeatedly interrupt Lam, forcing the session to be adjourned several times. Some of the ejected lawmakers were holding white flowers to express solidarity with people injured during months of demonstrations. And now we have the sports news. Manchester United will prepare for Sunday's Premier League clash against leaders Liverpool without the injured Paul Pogba and David De Gea goalkeeper. De Gea was forced to leave the field during Spain's Euro 2020 qualifier against Sweden on Tuesday. France midfielder Pogba has missed 5 of United's last 7 matches with an ankle injury, and after spending part of the international break recuperating in Dubai, Solskjaer said that the 26-year-old is still not ready for first-team action. United have recorded 2 wins in the opening 8 league matches this season and sit 2 points above the relegation zone in 12th place. Anthony Martial, Luke Shaw and Aaron Wan-Bissaka are likely to return from the treatment room, but Solskjaer is yet to make a decision on their availability. Now let's have a look at the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express, third edition of Siri Lily Festival, opens amid Rajmatas. There can be no tourism without culture, says Prahlad Singh Patel. The Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM agrees to erase ancestral land from memorial stones. Indian Air Force IAF launches fighter jet operations in 4 northeast states, West Bengal. Discussions with NSC and IM on truce ends on positive note. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister declares rupees 600 crore for Ukhrul Road's Prozap. Naga talks on shaky ground. Ceasefire monitoring group CMFG mid-held. UNC reaffirms stand. Ridicules war claim. Non-locals ask to submit details. War memorial stone unveiled at Kangpokpi. Imphal Free Press. Without culture, there is no tourism, says Prahlad Singh. Third Shirui Festival begins amidst cultural extravaganza. Federation of Government College Teachers Association to resume cease work strike from November 5th. The Morning Bell. Third Siri Lily Festival 2019 opens. Peace over last 2.5 years, attracting more tourists to the hills, says Chief Minister Biren. Anglo-Kuki War Memorial Stone unveiled at Kangpokpi District Headquarters. Naga talks on shaky ground. All eyes on Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi's Friday meeting. Anglo-Kuki War Observation ploy to distort Manipur history, says Federation of Haumi FOH. Urges Chief Minister to abstain from function.
Now before we end the bulletin, the top headlines once again. Kuki talks interlocutor A.B. Mathur to arrive in Imphal. Huge quantity of banned drugs seized in Manipur. And a ration supply stopped in 10 Bru refugee camps in Tripura. This is all for now, but stay tuned for more updates.